My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware that is called Iroubalsct. Iroubalsct is a ransomware type program that our researchers discovered while inspecting new submissions to the virus total database. We also were able to determine that this malicious software belongs to the Snatch ransomware family. The video will demonstrate to you what happens before the ransomware attack and after the ransomware attack. So, of course, you are able to open the files without any problems, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be injected into the system. After being launched on the test computer, in our particular case, Iroubalsct began encrypting files and changed their file names by appending them with a special extension called Iroubalsct. And for instance, the file like this one has now got this special extension Iroubalsct. And this happens with all other files that you store on your hard drives. So the ransomware infects pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. It also places this ransomware note on the computer mentioning that the files are encrypted and that people need to pay the ransom to get the files restored. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do first of all is to check the task manager, and it could be that you will find some processes that are related to this ransomware. If you find them, you need to terminate these processes. We also recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. You may download Combo Cleaner through any available browser. If you cannot start your common browser like Google Chrome, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser for this purpose. So once again, the page is this one, combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So use this official website to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your device. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. We also recommend you to pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner Premium, which is called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed. So, at the end of the scan, you'll see the whole information about all the threats that were revealed. You'll be able to know their location, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium in order to remove these threats altogether and automatically, and this is the best way to keep your data always safe and protected.